Here I am at the beehive. I do enjoy this. I took 2 boxes off already, and I still have 1 deep and 2 shallows. And they are so jam-packed in here. I don't really want to take them apart. I don't really want to take it off or pull the frames. See, here's a deep, shallow, this shallow. I think that will be enough for these girls to get through the winter. And that's all the bearding. See, I put this mesh tarp to give it some shade. Got it tied down. Got it some playground spikes there and some other tie downs here. I'm getting pretty good at keeping this smoker lit. And but it's a little bit warm and then cool. It's cool, but if I keep it there long enough, there it's warm again. I'd like to get a constant cool smoke, but I think I'm learning. Any tips on getting a cool smoke? Appreciate the tips. One of these days I might decide I need to go down in there further, but for today I'm just going to put it back together and call it good. My bees look good. Give it a puff of smoke, calm them bees down. And well, that's hive inspection, I guess. They're doing good. Thanks for watching.